So guys, where are we going?
To the Turtle Beach Resort!
Where?
Turtle Beach Resort.
Yeah. So after almost 3.5 hours of drive, nandito na kami ngayon sa Sur Oman. Ano pre, malapit na?
To Daddy Brother!
So mga 30 minutes na lang papunta sa Turtle Beach Resort. So yeah, see you there. So finally, after 4 hours of drive, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Turtle Beach Resort. Yeah. So check-in muna tayo. Hey guys!
Dito Rosette!
Yes! Oh, ganda ng view oh. Ito yung parking area.
Hello, I'm going back to the Philippines!
What? Saan papuntang reception? Okay. So ito yung reception. So ito yung papunta sa room namin. Yeah. So ito yung magiging room namin. Tapat ng play area and basketball court. Oh, pwede mag-basketball guys. And of course, the view. Sea view. Stig. So ito yung room namin. Room 801. Old school style siya. Di susi pa. So yan, yeah. Queen bed. Split type aircon. Extra bed. And look at the ceiling. Yan ang ceiling. Ito yung mga pang old school traditional house doon sa desierto. And this is me. And that toilet. Yeah. So walang bathtub. Shower. Oh, walang toothbrush siya. Ref. And some complimentary water and coffee. So ito yung kabuuan ng room namin. So pupunta tayo sa swimming pool ngayon. So dito yung daan puntang swimming pool. So ito yung parang resto nila. Yeah. Oh. Isang barko. Look at that. And this is the view. And ayun yung swimming pool. So ito naman yung sa taas. Yeah. Oh. Grabe, ang ganda ng view. Tignan nyo. White sand. And the beach. So puntahan muna namin yung Pink Beach. So ito yung part ng Pink Beach. So kaya siya tinawag na Pink Beach kasi see? Kulay pink yung shells. Ganda. Dun sila naliligo. Okay, so sa beach side, meron din silang mga upuan. And yon, it's duyan. Para pang Instagram, oh. So punta naman tayo sa swimming pool.
Swimming pool!
What, Venice?
Swimming pool!
So meron siyang pang kids and pang adults. And may mga upuan din dyan. Together with the pool. Stig. So dito naman papuntang sauna and gym. There, sauna. Here. Oh. So meron din siyang pa-gym. So ito. Yeah. Gym. Jimbo! Relax ah. So habang nag-relax ka dito, ayun yung view. Stig. So now we will go sa resto for our dinner. So medyo masama yung pakiramdam ni session. What happened to you, boy? Andun sila oh. Ayun oh. So dito kami nakapwesto.
Hi, Zion!
So ito yung setup. Yun, oh.
Si Shin tsaka si ano.
Yes, hindi nag-drive yun.
The food is really yummy. The food is yummy.
You want to come with me?
Ha ha ha. Tung 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 sahur is very yummy. No, this is very yummy. So
Tapos na tayong kumain, guys. Grabe. Super lakas ng hangin sa labas. So, yan yung labas paggabi. So, almost 12 a.m. here now sa Turtle Beach Resort. So, tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. sunrise. Try kong kumuha ng sunrise shots. And hopefully, makakita tayo ng turtle na naglalakad sa shore. So, see you tomorrow. So, yo, what's up, what's up? Good morning. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. So, ang lakas ng hangin. Tingnan niyo. Bali, may mga truck ng turtle, oh. So, guys, astig! Mayroong isang turtle dito. Ang laki! Hi! Sulit na gising ng maaga, oh. So yun na nga, after 20 minutes mag-check out na kami. So na-enjoy namin talaga yung stay namin dito sa Turtle Beach Resort. So yun nga lang, hindi buffet yung breakfast and dinner namin because konti lang yung guest. At naiintindihan naman namin yun. So ilagay ko na lang sa description down below ang IG account nitong Turtle Beach Resort.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. From Sur Oman, my name is Heaven. See you in the next video.
And my name is Rosel. You forgot. So,
Thanks
thanks
for
for
watching.
watching. Bye-bye 6-7 session. Hey, bye-bye 6-7.
Bye bye 6-7.